His father had the boy make a promise to be an enemy of Rome for all his life.
The boy is grown now. He will take this army of vengeance to finish what his father started.
These humans, they actually think they can command beasts upon the water.
They walk into the throat of the great mountain. The mountain will devour the weak.
The mountain, it's unleashing its fury. And the humans, they're being crushed.
With a single promise, he breathes life back into these dying men.
Hope is warm, but the ice is colder and more merciless.
To burn the stone with fire, to crack it with water. A man's will can be harder than rock.
They conquered the mountain, but paid for it with more than half their lives.
The war with the mountain is over, but the war on the plains has only just begun.